Hi everyone! In this video, this is designed for people who are curious or wanting to try yoga for the first time. We will talk about Sun Salute A or break down Surya Namaskar A, which is more common or more popular in a vinyasa type of class. And what you will see is I'll do it about 5 times. But if you are interested or curious with doing it more, then go ahead and try more. So we'll start off in Tadasana. Maybe for some, you bring your big toes together so you bring the heels slightly apart. Or you can bring your feet hip width apart if you feel more balanced and stable there. Or maybe even slightly wider than the hips. So grounding through the feet. So you inhale, we'll reach the arms up, reaching for the ceiling. And then making sure that you find your zipper, drawing that belly button in. As you exhale, we'll fold forward all the way down. And if your hands don't reach the mat, know that that's okay. Maybe release the head. As you inhale, you have several options. Keep the hands on the mat, or bring the hands on the shins, or maybe even on your thighs. But then find that effort of pressing the legs back so that your chest can reach forward in the halfway lift. As you exhale, you'll fold forward again, grounding down the palms. And then this time, you'll step back to a plank. Step the right foot, followed by the left. And then for this first round of the vinyasa, we'll bring the knees down. So this is one option. Bring the knees down, hold your zipper, draw the belly in, and then as you exhale, reach forward, lower all the way down towards the mat. Press the toes down. And then when we roll up, okay, find that action of letting your chest or your shoulders move away from the floor. Okay, belly will draw in, toes will press down. And then as you exhale, you push back up, downward facing dog. Maybe staying here for a breath or two. And then from here, we'll look in between the hands. Step the right foot forward, followed by the left. Inhale, come up halfway, hands on the shins or on the thighs. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bringing the hands back. Next round, inhale, reach the arms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. As you exhale, ground the palms. Step the left foot back, followed by the right. Find the zipper, draw the belly in. Maybe this time from plank, you'll reach the chest forward, bend any amount or halfway. Inhale, we'll straighten the elbows any amount, reaching the chest forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, staying here for a breath or two. Looking in between the hands, knees bent, stepping the left foot forward, followed by the right. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reaching the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. And then for the next few rounds, okay, choose which option you want to take. As you step back, again, you can stay here in down dog for a breath or two, or continue to move. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, palms down. Okay, weight shifts onto the hands as you find plank. And then choose your option either from knees up or maybe knees down. As you exhale, lowering all the way down. Find that action of reaching away from the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. And then staying here for a breath or two. And when you're ready, hands, maybe slight bend at the knees. So you step forward, coming up halfway. Exhale, fold. So I hope that was helpful and accessible for you. And know that you can do it as many times as you like. Going through the Sun Salute A or Surya Namaskar A can also get the heart rate up and can be a good workout. And also, an interesting fact, actually there are some yoga practitioners who do what's called 108 sun salutations. And it could be as a form of gratitude or thank you as part of their practice. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I would like to thank you. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.